everybody and welcome back to my garden. On today's video I have just been down to Wilko's again and I'm after getting a fantastic bargain. I'm after getting another greenhouse and a thing that's called a staging house. So the greenhouse I bought today is for my tomatoes because they're in my window and they're kind of just taken over. So today I'm just going to repot them and put them into the greenhouse, which I think I'm going to put at the front of my door which gets the most sunshine. And the other one is a staging house basically. So you get 3 metal shelves and then like a little frame for it. I really only got it because I need the metal shelves, but when I went to Wilko's, the guy behind the counter gave me such a discount because I got the last of the tomato greenhouses and I had to take it apart myself and then pack it away. So he literally gave it to me for like £8, which was like a decent discount. So I was really happy with that. And I got these other things. I also picked up just a little 24cm pot and then this bigger one, which is, I'm not sure how many centimeters this one is. Oh, 40. This one's a huge one, and then just kind of a medium-sized one, just because I'm going to pot a few other things and start getting my pots and plants in order. So I'm just going to put together the tomato greenhouse. So we'll just do that one, and yeah, see you in a second.
Mum, what do you think about me?
Oh, you're snazzy. Very snazzy.
I can help you, Mum, if you
Can
like.
you pet? I might have to because I'm not really sure about all of these.
Mum,
I know these are the big
Logan
ones.
says we're going what now? Is that right?
Oh, you'll be going soon, yeah.
Thanks for getting it.
You're welcome, baby. You're very good at helping me, so you know when you help me.
Get chores.
Exactly.
Helping is exactly the same as chores.
No, pretty much. Right.
Why are you got a camera in here?
Because I'm videoing. Keep looking. Right, let me see. I can't really see what I'm at, to be honest. Okay, so I'm down here. Look, you look over here. You go over there. I go here. Okay.
Can the camera see me?
Kind of. Go with that one. Joe, just go easy, okay?
I'm getting a bit taller than you, Mum.
I know, well that wouldn't be hard. I'm not a very tall person, baby.
I know how old you
Huh?
39.
How do you know?
Because Daddy was born before. Daddy was born one more month before you.
Year.
1 more year.
What do you want? What do you want? Oh, that is the wrong ones here. Oi. Okay. Just be careful, Jude.
Which way is it?
I'm not sure. This is what happens if you don't get instructions with things. Oh, Jesus!
Did it snap?
I hope it didn't. Oh, it did. Damn it.
Is it going to be okay?
I might have to glue it. Well, that's clever of me.
Whoopsie
Already?
daisy. Whoopsie daisy.
Right, can you get me my glue? You know the one with the monkey on it?
The hard glue.
Hello! So as you've seen, I'm after smashing one, so I'm just going to go and get some Gorilla Glue and put it together and then mount it back up. Okay, so I couldn't find the Gorilla Glue, so I just used some Gorilla Tape instead just to seal it together, and we'll see how we go. this piece here is also missing another little bit, so I'm going to Gorilla Glue it. Now let's put this on. Actually a little bit bigger than I thought it was going to be. I don't know, sometimes I see things in a shop, they look smaller. Maybe that's just me and my bad perception of space. As my brother used to say, I have no spatial awareness. So that's the job. I'm thinking what I'm going to do with her now is I'm going to put her here at the front door. So I'm going to try and sort out this area here and put the tomato greenhouse there. So give me a minute till I sort that out. Rightio folks, we're back at the front again. I'm going to put the tomatoes back into it for the first time. And I got my stalks. So these are bamboo canes that I got from Wilko's. They're 120 centimetres. I think they're about £2 for 10 of them, which isn't too bad. And I have some twine that I'm going to use to tie them up, and a scissors. And yeah, I'm going to have some good tomatoes this year, hopefully. You see, Baba? Okay. Hi down here. So put the stalk in, get a little bit of twine, and tie it loosely, like very loosely, because you don't want to choke your plant. You want it to be able to manoeuvre a bit to catch the sun. And tomatoes are very good like that, they will manoeuvre themselves to catch the sun. And also do it in a way that if you need to expand it, you're not going to have to break your knots, you don't have to waste your twine. So just do it in a little bow. And there we go, one in. And then get another. As you can see, the tomato plant is quite flimsy, so it will just fall all on its own. Scissors. My friend Stacey, she's also a big gardener as well. Her garden is amazing. She lives in the flat just down the road from me, and her flat is just so colourful. Like, her balcony is just amazing. She's really good at growing flowers, especially like ones from seed. I'm not that good at doing them yet. Well, I still haven't really figured it out. I have a few here. So I've got some dahlias. And God knows what else I have there. So that's plant number 2 in. They look good. I'm just hoping for a good harvest, guys. And I wouldn't mind. I nearly forgot the canes because I saw a fella at the till with them. And I was like, oh my god, I actually need these. So I had a pram full of like greenhouses, and then I was like, I need these because the tomatoes are not going to stick up on their own. There we go. No, they're all done. Bar this little one. Well, she doesn't have much to go on yet, so we'll just leave her at it. And yeah. I also switched, I put a trough in here as well. It's just a little, I think these are technically supposed to be stone terrains for succulents, but I took it and filled it with water and used it for these instead, because that's what works for me. So now, that's that. They're all in. I'll close them off now for the night. we'll see how much they grow in the morning. Fun times. Am I going to do anything else for the evening? Let me see. I did get these 2 flowers that I mentioned earlier in, I don't know whether it'll be this video or another video that I've mentioned, but I got a Lepidina, I think it's called, and a peony. And I kind of want to plant them out as well because the pots they're in is too small, and I see one of my peony leaves is drooping. I don't like them to droop because that's freaks me out. I'm like, I don't want to lose you. So I might just pot them and see if I can put them in either here or here. Mind you, I have the space there. I might put them in here actually in this greenhouse along with the tomatoes, and yeah, see how they get on. Hey guys, so okay, these are the 2 flowers I got. This is my peony rose, and as you can see, she's kind of drooping a little bit, and this is my Dipladina. So I'm just going to repot them and give them a fresh start. So I'm going to put these into the greenhouse along with the tomatoes, and yeah, we'll see how we get on. So folks, I think I'm going to have to leave it there today because I am absolutely jiggered, honest to God. I've done a hell of a lot of work today. Going up to Wilko's, getting me pieces, putting them out, building them, and repotting a load of stuff. So hopefully in the next week or so, by the time I come back around again showing you my garden, I'll have lots of things to show you because we've done a hell of a lot today. Yeah, I'm absolutely knackered and I'm really hungry, and I'm going to get me and Saoirse dinner because the boys and their dad are gone away for the evening after a football match, as they do. They leave me to potter in the garden. So yeah, I'm going to love you and leave you there. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe as always. I always forget to say that. No wonder I've no subscribers. Sure, I keep forgetting to ask you to subscribe. Anyhow, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I shall talk to you next time. Bye!